how to uninstall multiple application at once on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily uninstall more than one application at once on your Android device. So first thing what you can do is simply hold on the application which you want to delete or uninstall on your mobile. And once you long press on it, you will see three different options at your mobile device, and one of them is select. So simply click on select, and from over here what you can do is simply select on as many application as you like, and simply click on like this all of them, and press every single application which you want to actually delete and which you want to keep. So just like that, and you can see at the top there is the uninstall option. You can also select as much as you like and simply click on uninstall, and you can see it will ask you to confirm OK for each and every single app. And once you click on each and every single app confirmation, your every single selected applications will be uninstalled. As you can see, it's being uninstalled one by one. So that is it guys. This video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.